Oh, this is so cute. Mother and son moment. This is so cute. Yo guys, so this tutorial is going to be a quick, easy one. Like really quick, really easy. It's something you can do in no time. Like when you run out of ideas for a natural hair, just something, just pew pew, and you're done, and you would still come out looking gorgeous and fabulous and all that good stuff. There's something I felt I should share with you guys, because in this YouTube thing, I feel it shouldn't be one-sided. Like the whole knowledge isn't just deposited on one person. No, like the same way you guys get to figure out some stuff from my videos, I feel I should also be able to learn or figure out some things from you guys as well. Like pick your brains as well, so that kind of thing. So Marianne's hair is one really strong hair, strong hard, or whatever adjective you're going to use. But thankfully I was able to work my way around it. But really it wasn't as easy as the video is making it seem. Her hair is really, really strong. And she's actually thinking of relaxing it, which I don't think I would want such for her. Like natural hair is beautiful. I would also want her to, rock natural hairstyles the way other naturalistas are rocking theirs and looking beautiful. So have you had an experience with a hard natural hair type, or your natural hair is hard, like hard and strong, like I am describing Marianne's own? Like, what has your experience been like? What is your experience like till this moment? Please share. I would really appreciate it. Let's save Marianne's natural hair. Let's save Marianne's natural hair. Let's save Marianne's natural hair. Anyways, guys, the hair gel I used in this video, the hair gel I used is Petals hair gel. It's one really nice gel. Doesn't require so much, like all those caffeine stuff and all of that. It really doesn't require it. Just apply a generous amount on your hair, work your way around your hair with your hairbrush, and you're good to go. Everything sleeps well. So back to Marianne's hair texture. Please, do you have recommendations on products, or products basically? Just let me know, so I can relate it to her. If you've had an experience, if you've had a personal experience or any experience in general, please share. Please share. Do not hold knowledge, I beg of you. Did you know that when twisting your natural hair, it's really, really important and very nice to finger curl the tips of the twist, which is what I'm doing now in the video. And it's best when done with shea butter. Well, this method is really nice because it locks the twist almost permanently. Well, I'm not going to say permanently, but it almost permanently locks the twist. Like you can wash your hair with shampoo or conditioner, anything you want to wash your hair with, and your twist isn't going to lose. Well, if you didn't know, now you know. And if you doubt me, try it. Just finger curl the tips of your twist with shea butter and see how long you're going to have that twist out for. Like you're going to even get tired of the twist out, unless you decide to untwist it yourself. If not, it's going to be like that. It's going to be locked for as long as you want it to. You guys can see what I said earlier on about the hair gel, right? Like I've been doing everything I was doing on her hair, and it didn't even affect the hair bond area. Her hair is still laid properly. Like the hair gel has this very strong hold that one can't even compare with Eco Styling Gel. Eco Styling Gel is good though. I'm not saying it's not good, but when it comes to that strong hold, Petals beats it hands down, totally. And the good part is it's really affordable, like really, really, really affordable. It's affordable, it gets the work done, and I think those are the two important things when looking at a product, the affordability and how well it works. I can't remember what it is Maria was talking about, but but she had so much passion talking about it. Oh, really? What was she even talking about? Like, I'm seriously trying to remember. Just see my boy. Just see him. And I was looking for this hairpin, He was a handful, believe me. But it was fun playing with him, though. After I was done with the hair, I had this time, I showed him that I can play as well too. And at the end, he started begging, "I don't want again. I don't want again." Oh, children of nowadays. Okay, not children of nowadays. Kids, they feel like grown-ups didn't play when they were much younger. They don't even know that the grown-ups probably played more than they did itself. So after the hair, I really gave him my time. Like we played the play very well. So we're done here, and I decided to pick the bun to, spice up the look, and of course add some accessories. Like, what's a natural hairdo without an accessory or two? And she was okay with just these two rings. She kind of, didn't want it so loud, didn't want the accessory thing so loud, which was perfectly okay by me. Like, perfectly okay. And of course, baby hair never hurt no one, so we infused that as well. So this is the final look, guys. Really simple, really classy, really nice, simple yet sophisticated. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, which I'm hoping you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share. I would really, really appreciate it. I don't know why I just like to move my body at the slightest opportunity. Well, I think there was a nice music playing in the background. Anyways, baby girl was feeling herself. You can see it. She was really, really feeling herself. And I was, okay with doing the photographer work. Action at the work wey we dey do. Yeah. So guys, I have other hair tutorials which I believe you'll be interested in seeing. You could check out my video playlist and enjoy the tutorials. So till next time, stay blessed, stay out of trouble. I love you all. Am I ever going to get tired of saying this last phrase? I don't think so. Till my next video, stay blessed, stay out of trouble. I love you all. Bye bye.